These whales just won't leave us alone. They're jumping in front of us now. Bass has already caught one. Oh, they want some food. Trying to fish, but we're getting distracted by the whale.
Don't want to get it.
It might come up a bit too close for us, I reckon. It was just about 20 metres in front of us, just having a bit of a hello.
Pick it up on the sound of that.
And we're just going to stop here a minute and sit. Bass has already caught it once, we don't want to catch it again. Okay, every time we see it real close, it seems to disappear. But hopefully it's going to be friendly to us. Every time, here we go, right here. Unbelievable. It is literally 10 metres off the back of the boat, just having a hello.
Can you see my rig?
It's coming up to say hello. We might jump in a minute and go for a swim with it. Unbelievable. Okay, there's a wash. It's hopefully going to go away because we want to go back to fishing. Any signs, Bass? Okay.
That's around, maybe there is some fish in there.
Okay, that's it, I think. Here we go. No, it's still there.
It's two.
Two of them, side by side. Just checking it out. Little baby with it.
Is that a baby?
Okay, we'll go to the other side.
Oh, look at that. Look at that man here. Have a look.
Oh, really? That's the one I saw. That's the one we saw the other day. It's coming under the boat. Hopefully, here it is here. It's under the boat.
There's one, there's the other one.
Now,
oh, this is freaky.
Hopefully we better hold on because this thing is right under the boat. Here it is. It's gone down below. There it is down there. Heart's pumping now. Here he is. Coming to the other side.
Look at it on the, there it is, it's there.
It's on the sounder.
How good is this?
This is our gold maiden voyage, and
Something about the boat, she's picking away.
she likes it. Fishing's gone downhill now because Bass doesn't want to catch another one. He's already caught one.
Well, I can start caught a whale, mate.